Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Gemini. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and simply leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you as well to join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Gemini. All right, somebody wants to reveal something and return. Reveal some secrets. Okay. So Gems, bottom of my spread, I have your card, the Lovers. And in the upright, I think somebody has to make a decision. Some secrets have either been revealed about this emperor who's been juggling, I think. They've been trying to behave like a dictator maybe or something like that. Things were moving along pretty okay. But at the moment, there's a soulmate connection which has some bad memories attached to it. There's an empress and an emperor in reverse with little or no communication. So what's going on here, Gems? I will clarify these cards definitely. But before that, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll do the rest of the reading. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Take a few more from here, Gems. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and their person spirit. Gemini and their person. Okay. And a couple more from another deck. Mix it up a bit. Gemini and their person. All right, good to go, Gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, Gemini, this relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. Next card says, I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. Next card says, it drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Second card saying exactly the same thing. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes a piss at me at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. One person's been giving more than the other, it seems. I didn't run from you, I ran from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. Second reference to somebody who's a runner. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the person anyone would desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. I can feel your frustration with you not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down to get some thoughts flowing on paper to clear your head. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for the way I treated you. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. I'm working through issues with my family. All right, so Gems, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini, please. Healing. I don't know what's happened between the two of you, Gemini, but healing is possible. Healing is possible, even though I see an emperor and an empress in reverse at the moment. There is a possibility of things working out. All right, so let's see. Page of Wands, Spirit, what's this Page of Wands? For Gemini, what's this Page of Wands? Of course, I could be picking up your cross watchers energy as well, right? So keep that in mind. Some news, some message, something was said or relayed to the other person which created some kind of an imbalance, maybe about a third party situation or something else. I don't know what, but whatever it was, after this truth came out, after the secret was revealed, I think somebody kind of released this connection. 8 of Cups. Yeah, somebody wants to return now. They want to return. They are very sheepish and very embarrassed and have a lot of regret for the way I think they've behaved in the past. Yes, they could have been juggling with the 2 of Pentacles. They've behaved in a very rash manner or said something or did something which was not nice, I would say. It kind of broke down this potential also of a commitment or a long-term partnership between the two of you. Somebody, yes, they lost their chance here. Somebody lost their chance because of their rash behavior. Maybe because of their inability to make a decision, maybe decision between two things. Too much delay happened maybe in them making that decision. A decision, that's the reason this card was here. Somebody needed to decide, and I think they took their person for granted. So the Moon in reverse. Whatever secret came out, I think, put a pause on this connection. Whatever stability there was got disrupted. And somebody knows that. They know that they caused a tower moment to happen. They know that they caused heartbreak in this connection. Maybe somebody was being very controlling here, Gemini. Somebody just wanted their way. They were being a little cocky and saying, hey, it's my way or the highway, and this is the way I like to do things. I'm busy, or I have no time for this. Somebody didn't invest in the right thing at the right time. Let me put it this way. In all their but they now, I think, want to come and apologize. They do want to come and apologize for creating a rift between a beautiful soulmate connection. They do want to offer something stable. They want to start anew. They want to begin again. They want to apologize after things have really gone wrong. Some bad memories have been created now in the 6 of Cups, soulmate connection. They want to now come forward as the Emperor upright after doing what they've done, right? So, but now the problem is that the Empress is in reverse. Empress has given up on them. Empress hasn't been happy with their behavior. But this Empress feels that my person was, yes, dynamic, exciting, go-getter, but they were an attention seeker. It was all about them. And whatever promises they made or they made me believe, they were all false promises. So I think this Empress has kind of given up on this connection, no longer fighting for this connection. But the Emperor here is now feeling bad. So 8 of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. 8 of Wands in reverse. Yes, ever since I think this Empress has taken back her power, taken back control of their life, this Empress, and stopped maybe communicating that much, or maybe the communication has become very less, or stopped sharing what's going on in this Empress's life. This Emperor, ever since this Empress has walked away, this Emperor has not for 1 minute stopped watching. Okay, they have been spying, they've been keeping a close tab on where this Empress has gone, what this Empress is doing, even though maybe not talking about it. So why are they keeping an eye, Spirit? Why are they keeping an eye? Oh my God, because they still envision that this is possible. They know this Empress is the one who can give them the happily ever after, the 10 of Cups. So what's this Lovers card then, Spirit, which is a Gemini card? What is this? Why is this the overall energy, the Lovers? Yeah, somebody is reflected a lot. They've spent time with themselves. They've kind of figured out, they know they have to go back. If they want any of their wishes to come true in this lifetime, they know that this is my soulmate connection. They heavily have been thinking about this bond that they share with this Empress, and they want to come back, and they're trying to make some kind of a decision. So what can we expect now, Spirit? What can we expect now? Right now they're stuck. I don't think they've offered anything yet, but they know that things are disrupted. They know things are stuck. They know that they can't stay in limbo forever. They have to. This is the Lovers in reverse, right? That means they have to make one decision. Their first step will be to make that decision, to request for a restart, a rebirth of this connection. So yes, somebody does want to bring healing to this connection, Gemini. I think this is this Emperor who was a bit cocky in the past and thought, they could get away with anything. But ever since this Empress has walked away or not giving them attention, this person is now coming to the realization that this is the one I want. Okay, so that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.